It was this past May that a Murray County woman died when a tornado tore through her home. Now the city of Columbia is working to enhance safety, applying for a grant to install an emergency alarm system across the city. The May 8th EF3 twister left 12 people injured and damaged 105 homes. A disaster declaration has brought in resources for residents there. But Columbia Mayor Chaz Mulder says a citywide warning system is needed to ensure residents' safety in the event of future disasters. The city has now applied for a $420,000 grant to install 10 sirens across high-density areas.
This really was the catalyst to say, okay, look, it is time to make sure that we have better preparedness in our community, just to make sure we have our entire city covered so that when we have an imminent threat that is forthcoming, we can have an alert system so that our citizens will know to take cover and to hopefully save lives in the process.
The Columbia City Council approved an application for this grant. It still requires final approval from the state. Mayor Mulder says he is hopeful the city will receive this funding and quickly get started on installation.